Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. And today, yesterday night only, I flew from Dubai to Delhi. Today I was tired, that's why I could not do my pre market report. Even if I have done it, was no use. And because the global cues were very bad and US markets fell, Asian markets were in red. So it's naturally we expected market to open lower. But what was very surprising is a huge fall in Reliance. And nobody had any clue. And of course, I slept today morning. I woke up only at 9 o'clock. I did not check the news. But still, the fall was so ferocious. And later I understand that the government has announced some tax rate hike for petrol, diesel, and aviation turbine fuel only for export, not for the domestic, for the export. But we all know Reliance does a lot of export. So their main business is importing crude oil and exporting processed one, that is petrol, diesel, and other things. At some point of time, Reliance has fallen nearly 8%. Just imagine, Reliance is the highest index heavyweight. Just like Apple in US, here Reliance has the highest weightage in index. That's about 12-13% weightage. A stock having a 12% weightage, and if it falls 8%, that alone would take away more than 1% in Nifty. Even on a closing basis, Reliance has contributed 150 points for the downfall of Nifty. What was very surprising, 6 months, 1 year before, everybody was trolling ITC for its non-performance. And today, the highest contribution on the higher side came from ITC. Highest contribution on the lower side came from Reliance Industries. And of course, I was expecting some kind of a rebound. There were a number of reasons for that. And number one, we fell because of global cues, and Nifty has fallen almost 300 points. But despite falling so much, one distinctive thing is that India VIX did not go up. You may remember, India VIX was keep going higher, no matter what happened to the market in the last few days. Market goes up also, VIX goes up. Market goes down also, VIX goes up. That was the case, but today is the first time I've seen even Nifty falling more than 200, 250, 300 points, and VIX did not go up. VIX was on the downside. So that was number one. Number two, the fall was mainly because of Reliance. If you take out Reliance, the banking stocks were really doing well since morning. Though it was down, when the Nifty was down by 200 points, Bank Nifty was also down only about 200 points. Yeah. Logically, Bank Nifty weightage is more than 2 times. And IT stocks fell, but it did not fall much. So in a way, the broader market was performing well. And the main culprit is the Reliance. So that was the second reason. And third reason, though US markets fell yesterday, in the afternoon, European market opened. They opened negative as expected, but slowly they started recovering. And the recovery was so good that Dow future has recovered more than 250 points from morning low to afternoon high. So that was another thing. And fourth one, also very surprising. For the last 3 to 4 weeks, the Nifty future has been trading in discount. Even yesterday, I tweeted just half an hour before expiry also, A Nifty future was trading almost 20 to 30 point discount to the spot. And yesterday was the June month expiry. So June expiry Nifty future and July expiry Nifty future, there was almost 60 point discount. I don't remember seeing this kind of a huge discount, 60 point discount. Sometime Nifty future trade at a discount to the spot. But next month future trading at a 60 point discount to the current month future, it's very, very rare, at least I can say. I don't remember. But today, when the market fell in the morning, from that time onwards, the Nifty future was actually trading slightly premium to the spot. So yesterday's 50-60 point discount has been wiped out. So that indicated very clearly that the short sellers are covering their shorts at a lower level. And the fifth reason, the last but not the least, for the last few days, FIIs have been selling less. I think in the last two trading sessions, they've sold less than 1,000 crore. And there is a joke in Tamil. There's one guy will be begging in two houses every day. Let us say house A and house B. The house A always refuse. And the house B always give the food. And one day, this guy, the beggar, did not get the food from house B. And then he started scolding. And it won't look nice if I tell in English. I'll just tell Tamil. போடாத புண்ணியவதி போடல போட்ட முண்டைக்கு வந்த கேடு என்ன, which literally translates the good lady who never offered the food and has not offered, that's okay, but why the hell you have been offering every day, now you are not offering. So the lady who has not offered the food forever has become a good lady, and the lady who has been offering the food has become bad. So in the past, we used to be happy when FIIs buy for 2,000 crore, 3,000 crore, and now we are happy when they are selling less than 1,000 crore. So what to do? That is the situation now. So because of these 5 reasons, the markets recovered. But honestly, I tell you, I also did not expect this kind of recovery. The recovery was fast and furious. And look at Bajaj Finance. Yesterday it fell 200 rupees and today it shot up 250 rupees from intraday low to high. And same thing with many stocks. And look at the TCS, every day making a very big move. So even the large cap stocks are making a larger moves. And no wonder Nifty falling 300 point, again shooting up 300 point, So I said, April month was made traders April Fool. May month was a mayhem. June month was a June Kun. And now July, the first trading session, it was so volatile, hugely volatile. 250, 300 point down and then up all over the places. But however, by looking at the global cues and by looking at the option premium, by looking at the India weeks, I think markets are likely to stabilize. Markets are not likely to make bigger moves going forward. So definitely that is something good news. But again, we just cannot come to any conclusion just by looking at one-day price action. So we will have to wait for 2 or 3 more days. So though technically Nifty and Bank Nifty were long and many stocks were long, but this intraday volatility or some bad news comes, the volatility was very, very huge. So let us see what happens to Reliance next week. So if Reliance start recovering, at least in the July series, let us hope to see 16,000 plus. The June series had been very, very bad. So anyway, those things we will discuss on Sunday. Right now, I'm recording this program as I have to go and meet one of my friends. So FII data is still not out. So that we will cover during the Sunday program. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.